Khot my bitter pill to swallow. Kunzima angazi ngathini. I can't fault the boys. They really tried. It's just that today it wasn't our day. Forward we go. I can't blame the coach also. Amachita Zamele. Kunzima khot manam. Kodwa into engizoyisho nje amachita nje angasiblame kakhulu. Aphe awasukumisa amakhanda ngoba obvious masingalibe siblemana sisonke angeke siye phambili. So amachita nje awaqhubeke nje aphusha Zamele ukudlala. Khot mangazi ngathini kodwa nje
no, izolunga Roy. And then Uspisi for that penalty. What do you think went wrong there? That first penalty.
Ama penalty ilotha noma ubana ngalimist penalty. So Uspisi nje angeke ngimblame ngithi Uspisi udlisile and stuff. Siwina as a team, sidliwa as a team. So Uspisi uchabatsane undaba nje ezibamba istile ama penalty. Amachita nje afuneka nje asukumisa ikhanda. It's not the end of the world nje. So let's try in the next game, which is the Soweto derby nje. I say FNB Babagania, so wina nje so thatha nje 3 points.
Thanks Roy. Opa.
Like we tried to give it our all. It's just that today it wasn't our day. We can't blame anyone. Penalty pela, there's no guarantee. It's a 50-50. Yeah. So all I can say, Kuri, we move to the next game, which is the Soweto derby. So let's just go there and support our team. That's all we can say and do.
So don't you think, Connie, they must practice more on penalties? Because some of the penalties were bad.
Yeah, they were very bad. I think coach will go back to the drawing line because we don't know what went wrong. Because we know that even Sipo, we trust him when it comes to penalty. But today, I don't know. That's why I'm saying today wasn't our day because, they missed, we scored, they missed.
And then get 2080, it's Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. Score prediction?
2-1.
2-1. Who's scoring?
I think Mutuma and Really.
Thanks, Connie. Bopa.
Namhlanje basisile mara we tried our best.
So one.
Sidliswe icoach hayi.
Yenzeni coach?
Ufaka abantu abarong abangadlalanga akababoni abadiniwe. So angazi namhlanje mara we tried our best.
We tried our best. Kaizer Chiefs sishaya ngaki? Sidlala nayo Saturday.
6-0.
6-0. Okay,
Rayam, we have a problem. All I can say is that today we were never here. Pirates it's not a Pirates that actually were used to see playing. So all we want now, we want the management they have to make sure that they clear their whatever thing that they have between management and Mbule. We want Mbule in the field.
Thank you.
If they do have whatever problems that they do with Sipho Mbule, it's their own problems. We want to see Sipho Mbule playing. That guy, whenever he's in the field, brother, there's a lot of difference that he does. So we want to see Mbule playing in the field. That's all.
What about Raiden Shevchenko, Kabelo Damini, and Talent Mbata as well? A lot of players on the stage.
That's the problem that we are having. We don't know what's going on with those players. We don't know what to shout. I don't know. Now, the coach, when he first came here, everything was going well. Now we have a problem. Now it's the second game in a row we lost. And I can tell you, there are very slim chances for Orlando Pirates to beat Kaizer Chiefs come next week Saturday. We'll have a problem in FNB Stadium. Yeah, we'll have a serious problem. That one I can tell you.
So we reckon if we bring back Mbule, we won't have a problem.
Mbule must be in the field each and every day.
Each and every game.
That guy is a player. That guy plays like
each and every game.
Each and every game. If they do have problem with Mbule, it's their own problems. We don't have problems with Mbule. We as supporters. We want to see Mbule playing.
As namhlanje phela le game bekuyithu kahle kahle. Nango labantu amosha izinto nabo. Uyabona labantu la. Yazi ufana nomuntu lo uyabona umuntu akanabazali. Baloko bamsebenzisa noma la afika khona bamqasha nje. Wenza nabo. Bajabulile basiduma ngabani. Mara akunankinga. siyajabula singamabhakaniya asibe happiness yabo ne nge-28 sizobona ukuthi nabo bazozohleka ngalendlela bahleka ngayo na yabona. So sometimes mina lento engijabulisayo ukuthi iPirates mayidliwe kunabanye abantu ababa happy yabona. So akusase ukuthi amabhakaniya sizi ubuhlungu sehlekisa yibo labo yabona. Kumnandi kanje. Hayi bayeke la lenkukhu zabo bayeke. So lento bazoyenza bona ukuthi abakhona ukusimela ngithi bebathi ba defend iNetbank baphuma ecala. Babathi ba defend CAF or in baphumile. So manje se yibo abana ndawo manje. Bahamba nele idlala nePirates. Bahamba nele idlala nePirates bajabulile yonke into yabo imnandi. So nge-28 asazi ukuthi kuzoba Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs or Chiefs, Kesrick or in mara we wish all the best bafethu ukuthi as long liba happy masiphuma lijabulile yabona ukuthi uhleka kamnandi kanjani mawuphuma kuKhefa azange uhleke kaso kumnandi manje ukuthi siphumile mara wena waphuma ekucala asifine aya asinandaba nale trophy yabo bona baphethe yabona lama cup laba bathenga ngawo amabhiya la baphethe wona bona asifine ama cup wabo so ufuna umphendula
angifuna
amabambi
guys yazi my member ne mina iMovenda Boil Course ne abaningi bayangazi mara namhlanje ngigcoka amazaza ngoba bengazi ukuthi ngeke ngiphume kahle la
yazi kumnandi
mara ukusalayo ne cela ngifuna ukufonela upresident
ubani
upresident
ubani upresident
upresident
owakabani
Mr Ramaphosa
bekufona kanjani lokho
basebenzile abafana basebenzile
udala ngawo lo muntu ayivale udala ngawo bajabulile
Thanks PK Bopa.
Okay, my problem that I have is my captain. My coach must try to observe the captain of us and try to get another defense. And that is gone. We don't defense. The other guy, which Telby is gone. We keep the captain of us, CBC. We don't get CBC on our captain to do the defense. Fine, he must put in that there. That's not the guy of CBC is on injury. My brother, we are crying about defense. Parents of defense. That's the problem.
So do you think we don't have defense, or do you think we can put someone else more position?
We can put someone for
space.
CBC. We can put someone for space.
Who should we put there?
Let's bring them that guy, Tabiso Sisani. Must come back.
Yeah.
CBC is not a material for now. Now I'm not lying. We are enough for CBC. It's old. It's old for Pirates. Pirates one keeper. We are enough for CBC. I'm not lying to you. Even to Bafana, we are enough for CBC. I'm not lying to you. Master Chef must be on the game each and every line. Our coach we want one lineup, my brother. We didn't that the guy. He didn't play for 4 teams, four games. He didn't play for us. We want to get four starting line up. We didn't have. He didn't have like Sundowns have for line up for certain games. That must each and every game reshuffle game there. Reshuffle. My brother, each and every game reshuffle game now. We are enough with that guy. We need some only line up starting for Pirates will win the game. That one for the Pirates. Paris one skipper. One skipper of Paris. You're gonna be happy.
All right, no thanks, Pagania.